Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. So today I'm preparing this soya beans soup. Yes, soya beans, the soya beans that you know, that's what we are going to use to prepare our soup today. So on my table, you can see I have already washed soya beans. You have to be careful when you're washing these soya beans because it always comes with a lot of dirt, a lot of stones. So you have to be careful and wash very, very well. You always wash it like you wash your beans. For a quick method, if you want to wash your soya beans, you have to soak it for like 10 minutes, let it soak a bit, then you start washing. You can use your mortar to wash or you can use your blender to wash. So guys, you can see I have some sweet pepper there. That is just for coloring. How do soya beans looks like? If you don't know soya beans, this is how it looks like. When you go to the market, those that sell grains, they are the ones that sell. If you go to the big shops, they are packaged and they are sold. This is how it looks like. It's so hard, so you have to soak it for it to get a bit soft. You can see our stockfish fillet here, our dry prawns. Then we have Uziza seeds. Then I have pepper mix here. I have chopped onions. Then I have onions I'll be using to blend together. And I have crayfish, blended crayfish. I'll be using smoked fish and dried fish. Then we have our palm oil. We have salt to taste, then bouillon cube. So guys, these are all we need for this our soup. So what I'm going to do now is for me to blend the Uziza seed. I'll blend the soya beans and I'll blend the sweet pepper together. Then for this soup, you can use any veg of your choice, but I'll be using Uziza leaves and ugu leaves. I'm doing two combination of leaf here. Uziza and ugu, that is what I'll be using. So let me get my blender ready and let me blend the soya beans. So guys, in here I have my the pepper, I have Uziza seed, I have the dried prawn, I have the onions, then I have the soya beans. So I'll just go over to the blender and now blend. So guys, after blending, this is what we have. It's so smooth. So guys, if you are preparing yours, don't put too much of the soya beans because it tends to swell after soaking water. So if you are cooking for a small family, you can use like 1 cup, 1.5 cup. But here I have 1.5 cup. So guys, we are using meat. Our protein for this soup is beef and goat meat, and it's on fire boiling. I season it the way I want. You can season yours the way you want. So now let's go over to the gas fire and check if the meat is cooked. So guys, you can see that the meat is already boiled, it's dried up. So what I'll do now, I'll turn it out, wash the pot, then we start with preparing of the soup. So guys, the pot is hot. I'll pour in some palm oil, let it get hot. The oil is hot now, so I'll add in some onions and let it fry. So after frying, I'm adding my pepper mix. Now we are adding the blended soya beans. Allow it to fry and fry and fry so it can cook very well. So my people, after boiling for 5 minutes, this is what we have. So at this point, I'll add in the meat and then the stock. Guys, if I watched up to this moment and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And you follow me, thank you so very much. Keep liking and keep sharing. Share so people will know that you can use soya beans to prepare your soup. This is an alternative to melon. So now I'll put in the stockfish fillet, or add in the dry fish and the smoked fish, or add in some crayfish. Then I'll add in bouillon cube. Then I'll adding in some salt to taste. Then I'll cover the pot and let it cook some more. You can see how thick it is. It has doubled in size. So I'll cover the pot now and let it keep cooking. So my people, this is what we have. Our soup is looking so amazing, and my kitchen is filled with so much goodness. So now I'll add in the Uziza leaf and then the ugu leaf. You can use any leaf of your choice. Allow it to cook for like 3 minutes, and guys, our soup is ready, and I'll be adding in some more crayfish for more flavor. Soya bean soup, so delicious. Try it and give me a feedback. You can add more veg to yours if you want, but this is just the way I like mine to be. So I'll cover the pot for like 2 minutes more, and guys, our soup is ready. So guys, this is after 2 minutes. I left the leaf to cook. I don't want it to be overcooked. So my people, after a long walk in the kitchen, our soya bean soup is ready. Join me guys. I'm taking mine with hot eba. You can use fufu or any swallow of your choice to take this. It's so yummy. I want you guys to try it and let me know what you think in the comment section. So guys, this is our soup. Looks so good, looks so nice. Mmm. So delicious. So guys, I'm done for now. I will see you guys in my next. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.